trying to get snuggled in as best they can. Oh.
These are Karma's puppies at 4 weeks. They're all tiny.
Oh, Jerry's back here. Say hi, Jerry. Hi, Jerry. Where are you going? Oh,
hey, Apollo. Oh, hello, Apollo.
Apollo, where are you going?
Oh.
There, go see your little sister.
That's Angel. He's going to say hi to Angel. Hi, Julie. Julie's trying to come up with the front. And Crystals. Oh. Hi, sweetie.
I have brand new feet. I'm trying them out. Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Who's crying?
Hey, sweetie. Hey, Angel. Hey, Julie.
Say hi.
Hi, Crystal.
Oop.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, ow.
Oh.
I just got hit.
Oh.
Why are you swatting everyone?
And they're all walking around.
Except for Jerry. Jerry likes to sleep.
Oh, there's Crystal, Angel. That's Julie, Apollo.
Jerry, you have to wake up.
Breeze, and Jerry is tired from playing.
You're gonna miss the party. Hey guys, come here.
Oh,
come.
they're playing.
Uh-oh. We're gonna go check out the camera.
Hi, Julie. Hi. Hi.
Hey guys, come here.
It's okay.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Good girl,
Here
Angel.
come on, Angel.
Good girl. Hi. Hi, Apollo.
Oh, you're the noisy one. You're not noisy. Remember the squeaky wheel. Ooh, but you had the best stance. Look at that stance.
Oh, there goes Apollo. Oh.
All right.
Angel got run over. Hey, sweetie.